Namaste. In the 13th episode of Song Book for the Self, we will be listening to Tiruppavai Pasuram 9. The Divya Desam that is being connected to this Pasuram by Sri Kanchi Swami is Tirukkadigai or Sholingapuram. This Divya Desam is located on Chennai Katpadi Railroad closer to Arakkonam. The Moolavar is Yoga Narasimhar and the Tayar is Amritavalli. The Tirtham is Amrita Tirtham and the Vimanam is Simha Goshta Kriti Vimanam. It is believed that worship at this Kshetram for one Kadigai or 24 minutes gives salvation. The legend has it that Vishwamitra obtained the title Brahma Rishi when he worshipped Lord Narasimha at this Kshetram for one Kadigai. When we want to meditate on this Lord, we can chant Om Kadiga Chalavasaya Amritavalli Sametaya Sri Yoga Narasimhaya Namaha. The light that is mentioned in this Pasuram is linked by Kanchi Swami to the light mentioned in Mikkanai Pasuram by Tirumangayalvar, which is in the praise of Tirukkadigai Yoga Narasimhar. Over the past days, apart from the Tiruppavai Pasuram and Kanchi PBA Swami's connecting Pasuram to Divya Desam, we are also listening to some thoughts and affirmations that are linked to this Pasuram. These are purely how I experience the Pasuram for my upliftment that I am sharing. I wanted to share this so that we understand what is passed on to us by masters and what is given as a free will for us to enjoy and experience for our upliftment. Please do share your experience as well as you listen and read about these Pasurams. In Indian philosophies, there is a term called Yoga Nidra. Nidra is sleep, Yoga Nidra is sleep in union. The modern science also says that when we sleep and rest, we heal as the cells in our body repair themselves. That is why sleep is given so much importance. There are so many reasons as to why we sleep. We may be tired physically, we may be tired mentally, and with lots of effort we might fall asleep. We may be anxious about our waking up responsibilities, and so, though we are not asleep as such, we may not get up from the bed and be in a sleepy state. We may have rested well, but might want to just meditate without getting up, and so we may be in Yoga Nidra. Out of these, we can understand the first three situations in which someone is woken up. Why should we wake up someone who is already in yoga? This is how I see it. When we are traveling, we need to know the destination where we want to go. We need to know which path suits us. While traveling in our path, we will meet people who will guide us, people who will empathize and relate to us, and people who will need our support. So in the 10 waking up Pasurams, some friends of Andal are really sleeping and have to be woken up. Some are enjoying their union with Krishna already. They too are woken up because they are asked to come and join Andal and her friends and guide them and support them in their journey. And not only that, enjoying something on our own is very different from enjoying something together. Today, we can practice gratitude for those who are guiding us, practice empathy for those who are traveling with us, practice service for those who need our support. May I be grateful to all my masters and guides. May I empathize and receive empathy from those who are facing challenging situations similar to mine. May I serve those who need my support. Let us now listen to Pasuram 9. Sagama Dani Sa Ni Da Ma Ga Sa தூமணி மாடத்து சுற்றும் விளக்கெரிய தூமணி மாடத்து சுற்றும் விளக்கெரிய கெரிய தூபம் கமழ துயிலனை மேல் கண் வளரும் மாமான் மகளே மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய் மாமீரவளை எழுப்பீரோ உன் மகள்தான் ஊமையோ அன்றி செவிடோ அனந்தலோ ஏம பெரும் தோயில் மந்திரப்பட்டாளோ மாமாயன் மாதவன் வைகுந்தன் என்றென்றே நாமம் பலவும் நவில்வேலோரம் பாவாய் जय श्रीमन्नारायण.